7608 Cruz Bay close of escrow walkthrough. Of course, there's a lease back, so it's going to be different than. Oh, sorry, it's a wasp. Okay, it's gonna be different than our normal walkthroughs because, of course, the seller is still here. Okay. So we're not looking for dings or anything like that. We're looking for major, like fire damage, water damage, you know, things like that. Is it okay if I go back? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh, is that puppy? He can't come in, right? Okay.
No, he's fine though.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Hi, little guy. What? I'm sorry, I tried. Okay, okay, thanks. Hi, honey. Okay. So we'll definitely have to make sure items are junked before we release the security deposit. Smallest little dog.
He's a little grandpa now.
He's so small. Okay, so everything looks the same. And that door leads to the room we just came from. Flooring is very pretty. Again, this walkthrough, the purpose of this walkthrough is to make sure appliances are still present, such as the washer, dryer, dishwasher, and no major water damage or anything like that. It's nice to have such a large extra room. And that is that.